Hey, what's up people, welcome back to another video. In this quick video I'll show you how my Hostinger affiliate program is performing. You know guys that I leave a Hostinger link in my videos so that you can click and buy the website, because most of my content is around WordPress and websites and how mostly digital marketing. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, you first need to visit hostinger.com/affiliates if you have a approved affiliate program with you. Okay, and then once you click on access affiliate program, this will give you the dashboard. So from this dashboard, you can, on the left you can see you have offers. So what offers are basically, whenever Hostinger runs a new offer, let's say Black Friday offers, White Friday offers, all these offers will be available here for you to create your custom tracking link and start promoting. So that gives a different landing page, I can say, for every tracking link that you make, and you can start promoting this. Can you see horizon offer influencers? So these offers are all new, and there are some expired offers that you can view somewhere here. And this is about the offers, I mean all the offers. If you go to my live offers, you can see which was the offer that we have started promoting, that I have started promoting. So if you click on view landing page, this is how it is. So if you click on the link in my description to buy a website, this is where you'll end up. And from here you can buy a site, you can buy a hosting domain, whatever you want, and I get a small commission for that. Okay, so do check out the link guys. And regarding the reports, this is where everything changes. So you get multiple reports out of this. The most important ones are performance report. This is how you track how your links are performing. So you can see in the last I think 7 days I have 3 people clicking this link. That's very low, I know, because I'm not pushing this Hostinger plan. I have some different plans for hosting that I want to promote on my site. So I have not been pushing this, but still 3 people are clicking and they have visited the site. So next we have something called conversion report. So this is all about how the clicks and the traffic that you're driving from your YouTube channel to your landing page, how it's performing, and if there are any conversion, that means if there are any sales. So you can see I don't have any sales this year because, like I told you, I'm not promoting this enough. So if you go to last year, so I do have one conversion. You can see, let me go to last year, apply. You can see on 17th of June somebody bought a hosting and I got $51.36 as a commission. So you can see the potential if you are able to make content around hosting and start writing about hosting on your blogs and provide value, like real value. You can get hundreds and thousands of payments like this every single day. So now that's up to you. For me, my target market and my content is different, because my content is around building websites. I know the hosting is important, but there are better solutions. So I am skipping this hostinger for now until I don't find anything else to promote. I'll promote this. But for you starting out, if you want to know how affiliate marketing works, I would suggest you to just go to the Google Hostinger affiliate program and start applying Hostinger affiliate and then just read this article on their website. So what do you need? You need a YouTube channel, you need a well-established website, blah blah blah. Just read and complete the requirements, and once you have everything ready, just apply and get the approval, so you can start making money from Hostinger passively. So this $51 that I made, this money, I didn't do nothing. I just included my links, the Hostinger link in one of my description or in the pinned comment, and somebody bought it. So if I start doing this for all the videos and on my websites and everywhere, the chances of people landing on this site will increase, and there will be a lot of conversions, and that is conversions equal money. So I hope you found this video helpful. In my next videos, I will definitely talk more about how you can get the best affiliate product and promote it with little to no efforts and start making your first $100 or $1,000 like how I have made using this website and using this channel as well as multiple websites that I own. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.